Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Kat.
And I'm Pat. We are
the Drug Queens! We're all about drugstore and affordable beauty products.
We do makeup tutorials, reviews, and challenges.
Speaking of challenges, today's video is gonna be a makeup challenge.
Ibalik ang high school and college days na walang brush, hindi pa natin alam yung marquee brushes. We're going to use our old school brushes.
Fingers! Today's video is going to be a full face using only fingers makeup challenge. If you want to see kung magsasucceed ba kami, although, you know, I think we did a pretty good job.
Yeah, I'm so proud.
Then please keep on watching! Saan tayo mag-start, Pat?
Kilay.
Good luck! Girl. Try natin ayusin ang buhay natin. Okay. With concealer. Struggle is real ba? Isang kilay.
Hindi ko siya perfect pero ang hirap. Ilang minutes tayo na?
30? 45? Ang tagal.
Next naman natin is eyeshadow. Let's make it quick lang.
Blending is key.
Girl, paano kapag may sobra kang pigmentation? Huwag na tayo mag-joke. Eh, bakit? Nung mga college naman tayo tsaka high school, wala naman tayong brushes na na.
Oo nga.
Next up is our lashes. Hassle kapag naglagay pa tayo ng mascara, so lashes
Hindi kaya.
natin yan. Yun na kayo natin.
Isa pa lang kaming mata. My goodness.
In fairness, ang ganda ng lashes ni Miniso.
Nagpapaganda talaga yung pilik na tayo. What's next, baby?
Foundation. Yun na, flawless na tayo. Okay na.
Okay na.
Nasa tayo?
Okay, next is
Concealer. Conceal everything, guys. Conceal mo na lahat yan. Next is contour. Ooh, it looks like yung sa Wet n Wild. Spot. Sarap! Bake na natin yung ating concealers kanina. Next up is blush. Next up is highlighter. Highlighter natin yun. Next up is
10 fingers.
Sobrang hirap, challenging, but then again, with our training nung high school kami and college, it's really a step up.
Oo. And I think we did a good job.
Yes, we really did a good job about it. And ang ganda, sobrang natuwa ako sa kanya. Nalagpasan natin yung kilay. And it's a milestone.
Pinakamahirap talaga yung kilay.
Oo. I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel.
And don't forget to follow us also sa aming social media accounts. Our Facebook is /drugqueens12 and our Instagram is @drug.queens. That is all for today, and we hope to see you again next week. Bye!
Lumapit ka! Ay, sayang. Batang may laman.
Ay, ganda
Ang
ng
ganda.
pigment nito.
Kaya